And as you'll see behind us, it's spinning round. And just as a recap, there you go. Can you see that? That's how the vision began. We've got sparkle and bling, flower arrangements, piping shells combined with loops, with roses, Swarovski crystal, Eleanor V there. So it's introducing modern ideas with, very old-fashioned piping.